Bisha ekuhanago kiharo-ini kia Rfuea guku Nairobi riria mwana cia Simbas mekunyitite ugeni timu ya Tunisia garagano-ini cia gikombe kia Africa Gold Cup. Gukiri uguo matanya ma Simbas kwigwatira mweke wa kuigira mbitika-ini cia World Cup mwaka ukite ni mongererekire thutha wa kumatha uhotani wa pointi 67 gwa gibugu mbere ya rifari kuhuga firigi ya muthia.
Very happy. We won it, got a bonus point. There was a lot of good things that happened in the game, and there's still plenty to work on, obviously, as there is each week. But we're happy going forward.
Simbas majiririe ngucanio-ini na mayo maingima makihota kumatha tries 11 na kuhota kumatha pointi 5 gatho kuri athaki Willy Ambaka uria ni rita riake ria mbere guthaka ngucanio-ini, Davis Chenge uria ni captain wa mwana-ici na Dawin Mukiza gatagati ka athaki agi. Gukiri uguo Simbas megubatara kuhota ngucanio ya muthia ya mbitika-ici magithakana na Namibia kwa muciĩ wikendi ukite na kuria muhotani akegwatira mweke wa kuigira mbitika-ini cia World Cup mwaka ukite bururi-ini wa Japan.
We've been watching their games and also a number of us have also played against them a number of times before. So we have looked at some of their weaknesses and also working on our strengths. I'm sure we'll be able to beat them.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni mwihaki wa Dogo.